the Consumer Electronics Association kicks off the CES Unveiled series at the 3rd annual CES Unveiled London.
Three new players that are coming to the market in the UK. If you're not familiar with Roku, we're a platform that brings streaming content to your TV, so that's streaming video, music, and games.
Okay, well, it's the first truly persistent Android-based security product. So our customers can lock their devices, they can delete data, they can track the device, and more importantly, our dedicated recovery team can recover the devices as well.
We've been developing the ONB Solar headphones. We've been working on these for a year. So kind of one of the key foundations of this product was to design a pair of headphones that sounded great, but also would allow you to listen to your music for like 2-3 times the amount of time your phone would normally allow.
Yeah, CSR Cream with Silicon Radio. What we're here doing today is talking about the silicon that we provide for, as you say, Bluetooth stereo headsets and speakers.
So in essence what we've got is literally a pair of sunglasses with a HD video camera built right here in the centre of the glass. One touch record, and literally you record what you see. And that's really where we're coming from. It's about recording the first person perspective.
Our magazine's been reporting on these technologies for 20 years. I think the track that we're going to be presenting, which is entitled Don't Believe the Hype, will enable attendees to get to grips with what's really possible with 3D printing.
We're about to release a AirDAC, which is an AirPlay D2A converter. Alright, it's DAC City here.
Wow,
Then there's an AirDAC, that's a more conventional cutting edge high performance DAC with multiple inputs from USB, coax, optical and a direct iPhone input.
Yeah, I think it's really important to have events like this for media to meet small companies that are going to be exhibiting at CES in Las Vegas. It gives us a chance to see what's new, what's exciting. It gives us a chance to come up with some story ideas of our own for when we go out to Las Vegas and cover the show next year.
Well, the great thing about coming to CES Unveiled in London, frankly, always is first of all Sean's speech. I have inadvertently found myself essentially parroting everything he said in about 10 interviews that I do throughout the year, every year after CES Unveiled.
This year was really interesting, listening first of all to the general trends, the things like robotics and the wearable tech and things that we're expecting to see in January next year. And as for here, this evening, what we've just been looking around, obviously as a national British broadcaster, we're really interested in the British companies and the sunglasses, Sunnycam, the sunglasses which record proper high quality video from that human eye level point of view, something that's really interesting. We haven't seen it in this form before, and it's something that they're launching, I think, in January again, and we're certainly going to keep an eye on that.
It's all to do with trends really for us, so it's a matter of identifying the key trends moving up to the show so that we can prepare our readers for the kinds of products that are going to be coming out there. We can explain to them in advance how things interrelate, how services and systems work together, then it's much easier for us when it comes to the event and we're rushing around and there's all this stuff going on to kind of say to them, oh, this fits into that, you can refer back to this. So for us, this is quite important.
Perfect.